Hey all, Roy here with Lawn Master, and we're at Blue Ribbon Nursery today. I'm here to talk to you about the importance of aggregates. The proper aggregate will help keep all of your flatwork stable. We use 3/4 inch road base on a regular basis as an aggregate. What 3/4 inch aggregate really is crushed concrete. As we remove concrete and take it to the recycler, they crush it down into 3/4 inch rock and the fines that come along with it. It's important that we have all the different sizes of rock and the fine material there together in order for it to be able to be compacted and stay nice and stable underneath our flatwork surfaces. Those surfaces can be synthetic turf, they can be DG pathways, they can be concrete. So long as the base doesn't move, then our product on top is going to last us a long time. Our flatwork products are only as good as the base that they're built upon. The road-based product is one that can be compacted, and we add water, continue to compact, create perfect gradient and compact, nice tight compact surface for our hardscape materials, our synthetic turf, and other applications such as DG walkways, all of our equestrian trails that horses walk on, all of these things have a base. Road base is also used underneath our asphalt applications for our roadways. It's important to install at least 3 inches of this base underneath our concrete, synthetic turf, our roadways, get closer to 6 inches. As our soils move, so will the product that we install above it. That's how you're going to get cracks in your concrete. And you might ask yourself, what's the rebar for? Rebar doesn't keep your concrete from cracking. Rebar keeps it together after it's split. So if you're planning on having some flat work done, it's really important to excavate to the correct depth so we have enough room to put down the proper amount of base. Don't let your contractor cut corners in order to save a quick buck. We need to have the proper amount of aggregate underneath each application. For more information on that, feel free to give us a call at Lawn Master. We'd be happy to help you out.
Start over. So, deep breath.
Woo! All right.